Here at Black Balsam Knob, catching an early morning sunrise, heading up to Cold Mountain in a day. Getting ready for a big trip out west to Colorado in a couple weeks. So I'm getting myself trained up. All right, just summited Black Balsam Knob, and I'm making my way over to Tennant Mountain next, and going all the way to Cold Mountain and back. This will be the first time I've done a day hike up here, covering this distance since almost 10 years ago. And the first time I did it, I got in over my head, wasn't prepared, wasn't really a backpacker, more of a day hiker back then. And needless to say, got really bad cramps coming back from Cold Mountain, going up into the Narrows. Had my dog with me at the time. And I got dehydrated, didn't bring enough food or water. I ate a lot of blueberries on the trail. It was the month of August, 2014. And I ended up puking even on the trail. So I'm a lot better prepared today, and I have a lot more confidence. It's a tough hike. I'm doing a spur trail to Cold Mountain, which I usually don't do when I thru hike the Art Lobe, which I've done 3 times now, both Nobo and Sobo. But I'm throwing it in today, getting my training in for a upcoming backpacking trip to Colorado in a couple weeks. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoy this. Reached a gap here. That's the Avestor Gap Trail on the right. That's where I came from, the Art Lobe on the left. And continuing on to Tennant Mountain. And I'm in the fog. A little lower in elevation here. Got another climb to get to the summit of Tennant. I got signs up everywhere now. I guess because the increasing popularity of these trails, they kind of have to, because people are getting lost out here. Don't know which way to go. Wilderness areas are not supposed to be marked. At Avestor Gap, I love how Grassy Cove Top rises up from the gap. It's one of my favorite summits over here. Passing the summit for Grassy Cove Top. keeping a fast pace. That's where I was a couple weeks ago. Climbing Stairs Mountain now. I decided to bypass Shining Rock because I summited that with a friend about a month ago. Came up via Old Butt Knob, made a loop using Shining Creek, and I documented it, so you can go back and find that video. Alright, I reached Deep Gap. You see how overgrown it is? You can't see anything under your feet. This is the official summit of Cold Mountain.